Hi there, welcome to this video and the spoiler alert, what is in the Fabfitfun mini box. So if you signed up to get the Fabfitfun winter box, or if you referred a friend, you had the opportunity for a short period of time, I think about a month or so, to get a free mini box. This is the spoiler video. What is inside of the mini box? I have not seen one yet. I'm not sure 100% how many have shipped, but mine is here, and I am really excited. I'm assuming that they all have the same thing, but I can't guarantee that as I only got one. This mini box is supposed to be valued at $150. Usually when you sign up for Fabfitfun, you get a $10 discount. And that's when you use a referral link. So if you use my link, which I will link down below or in the comments, you would get $10 off of your Fabfitfun, your first box. But for some reason, for a limited time, they allowed us to get this mini box, which is valued at $150. Obviously worth more than the $10 discount. They don't do this often, so I jumped at the opportunity. I really need a box cutter because I keep using scissors and I'm just like not the safest scissor user. I'm not the safest scissor user. This says discover happy, spread joy, shine on, has a lot of cute things. Greetings from Los Angeles, California. I feel like I get my stuff a little early because I live so close to Los Angeles, but I'm not 100% positive on that. I've also been a customer for a really long time. So it starts out with a little note and a cheat sheet on what you got. This says, at Fabfitfun, we are all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a Fabfitfun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that the next box will be even bigger. This would have been included with your box, so it wouldn't be the next box. You would literally have got them both at the same time. And include even more products. Happy unboxing. It also comes with the handy dandy Fabfitfun Magazine. It says, your box is full of secrets and we're sharing them. This is kind of just talking about the boxes in general. It's not actually about the products in this box, but it's talking about different products that have been in Fabfitfun. All of the info, what's in the box, is in this card, not in the magazine. So right off the bat, I see one of my favorite items, and that is the Spongelli Blue Orchid, and this is basically like a loofah that you throw away. So it's already infused with the body wash in it, and you keep in your shower, you use it. Usually it says 14 uses. This doesn't actually say how many uses, but for the ones that are shaped like this, it's usually 14 uses or 20 uses or 30 uses for the really big ones. I actually prefer this size and this shape though, because it's like really easy to hold onto in the shower. Black orchid smells good. Orchid's my favorite flower, so I'm not complaining there. And this is, honestly, I stock up on these. Every single add-on sale, every single edit sale with Fabfitfun. It's one of my favorite things to add to cart. The next item is from Grown Alchemist. We see this a lot in the add-on sales, and they have really good ingredients from my previous research. This is the Hydra Repair Day Cream, and let's take a smell. It says Australian certified toxic free. That's a plus. Through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization, our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. That sounds like a really hefty promise, but I have really loved everything that I got from Grown Alchemist. So you have to kind of open this. It's sealed. Ooh, yes. Very floral and kind of like orangey too. I don't know if it's supposed to have an orange scent. It's really nice though. That's really good. It's got some citrus scent to it, either lemon or orange, but it's sweeter to me, so I think it's orange. It's really a non-greasy feel. It seems to be absorbing pretty quickly. I love that. It says citrus peel oil. and sweet orange peel oil. Ha, I got it, it's orange. The next is the Moroccan Gold Series Leave-In Treatment. I have not tried anything from this brand before, and I've read really good things about it, but I never pulled the trigger. I'm not usually looking for hair products or hair masks. I'm pretty like set in my ways on my hair products, but this seems like really good size. We're gonna smell it. Can't really tell the scent. It kind of just smells like regular shampoo smell, if that's even a scent. Spray generously into damp hair, comb through, and style as desired. Yeah, it doesn't really have like any sort of a scent to it, so I don't think they added fragrance. It just kind of smells like the way oil smells. The last item is this Yumi Kim bag. I don't really love the color pink. It's not my favorite color. If you know me, you know that, but this is pretty cute. So it has this little hook. It's like a little travel bag. That's pretty cute. With all these little pouches to get your stuff in. I can get down with this, even if it's pink. I can get down with this. This is super cute. I love it. Pretty good quality, I would say. I think this would last a while. These zippers feel like sturdy. Have you ever had a zipper that just like breaks on you? Yeah. I love the little hook thing that you could just hang up while you're traveling. And also, if pink wasn't your thing, I think this would be a really lovely gift for someone because, come on, this looks really nice. So let's go to our little cheat sheet and see our value here. It says the Yumi Kim Hanging Train Case is the multifunctional train case complete with a hanger and fold-out pocket for major storage capabilities. It is pretty big. I definitely think major might be the right word. And that one retails for $58. The Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream Camellia Geranium Blossom. I'm gonna butcher that as many times as I can as we describe it. This nourishing, non-greasy features camellia and rosehip oil to visibly improve skin's hydration level and leave skin feeling smooth. My hands do feel pretty good right now. And that retails for $49. Spongelli Body Wash Infused Buffer in Black Orchid. Cleanse and rejuvenate the skin from neck to toe. The unique surface changes from an exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk when you use it in the shower. Retail value $16. Moroccan Gold Series Leave-In Mask. Seal in moisture, protect against heat and UV damage, and detangle hair with this lightweight treatment mask. This thing does it all. And retail value of $39. And the total value of this retail box is $162. I definitely love everything. Honestly, the pink thing, like the pink bag, I really like detest pink. I don't know why, I just do. I have for as long as I can remember. It's just like too girly for me, if that means anything, but it's kind of growing on me. I really starting to think that it looks prettier the more that I look at it. That's it. That's your sneak peek into the Fabfitfun mini box. If you got yours, would you comment down below? Is it any of the same items? You would have to have been either a new subscriber or referred a new subscriber during the promotion period, which was about a month. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!